Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. We're in the cockpit of the S5, and this is the last time you're going to be seeing it looking like this because, if you couldn't tell by the title of the thumbnail, we got something in the mail. I guess I'll explain this more in a bit, but I need gas. I'm really low. We're going to do that really quick, and then we're going to actually get into the meat of the video, which is, of course, the install of the carbon fiber paddle shifters. Guys, I need some gas. We're going to do that first. Be back in a second. I didn't do my intro. So, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. I think I just said that in the opposite order that I usually do, but hey, we're spicing it up. It's the weekend, getting crazy. If you guys are new, a lot of content on this car on the channel. Feel free to subscribe, like the video, help out the algorithm, all that good stuff. But man, I'm excited for today. I haven't done an install on this car, like documented some actual progress on this build in quite a while. I feel like we've been kind of stagnant as far as the modifications and all that for this car. So happy to be bringing y'all some content, some build action, even if it's just a little cosmetic modification on the interior like this. Regardless, it's a new video. It's Sunday when I'm uploading this, so I hope you guys enjoyed your weekend. Hope it was filled with fun, safety. Hope you guys drank a lot of water. Don't want to draw out this intro too long. So let's get some gas. $3.07 for gas. Yeah. I think that's the first time I spent over $40 in gas in a long time, actually. It's like 41 something.
The other day. You wouldn't know that much money gas.
Oh yeah.
You put in premium?
Yeah.
$3 a gallon.
306 and 9/10 of a cent. Can't forget that little bugger.
That's close for us.
So ladies and gentlemen, what do we have here exactly? Well, as you can tell, something carbon. We've got some carbon fiber paddle shifters. Now, I want to explain, I did not actually buy these. I was sent these from one of my amazing subscribers. Jeremy, thank you so much, my guy. These, if I can get this open with one hand, these are so cool, and I'm excited. You know what? Can you hold that for a second? Thank you. Amazing. All right. So let's put these in here and actually see what we've got. So these are the DSG paddles, carbon fiber paddle shifters for the Audi S5, and I think these are actually compatible with a lot of other different Audi models, and you can tell by the way this is shaped if it fits your paddle shifters. A lot of different Audi models have this exact same kind of deal. Link in the description for something very similar to this, if not the exact same product, as always. So let's get a little unboxing therapy, a little unboxing action. So I did just pop these out because they're kind of stuck in place with the packaging, but guys, here we are. Look at that. That is a beautiful carbon weave. I love unboxing and like putting on new carbon parts. So Jeremy, again, thank you so much. Shout out to you, my guy. These are awesome and will be a great addition to the setup. Guys, I'm so excited. I love the steering wheel of this car, the flat bottom. It only looks better with this sort of stuff on it. So this is how to install it. Let's go. It's actually a pretty easy process, but one of the most important parts is preparing the adhesive to stick. So I have a microfiber towel in here. I'm just gonna wipe it down, get kind of the grease and dirt and all that BS off the paddle shifters themselves, especially around back here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you wanna make sure everything is clean so it sticks and it doesn't fall off, because that would, you know, not be a good thing. I'm gonna turn off the car for this bit just because I don't wanna go messing with the paddles while it's on. You're only sticking it to the back of this, so you want to make sure that is the most clean, no grease, no oil, no dirt. Perfect. I think that'll be good enough for our little project today. All right, so let's get into the actual install. Super easy process. This is not like a how-to because it is literally so simple. 3M, you take it off just like any other product with this one-sided kind of peeling stuff. I talked about how easy it was and now I'm struggling. Nice, Kevin. You do not want to get the actual adhesive up on this, so be very careful. Take your time and just peel off this red part. Maybe it'll be easier going from a different side. Oh, I think we got it. All right, after about a minute of struggle, had to get deep under there. It's a little awkward digging in there, but guys, we got it. Finally. Peel it off just like that. Do not touch the adhesive. That's gonna be what is sticky. And then you just pop it on. Just like this. Give it a quick firm press so everything holds in place and you should be good to go. So one side is on. Let's go ahead and put the other side on. Then we'll get an idea of how this looks with them on. I can already tell with that side, it looks so good. All right, second one, let's do it. All right, other one is finally off. And same deal as last time. Fit it into place, give it a good squeeze. Let that adhesive stick real good. Oh yeah, I can tell. Getting a good idea of what these are looking like now. That's awesome. So the hardest part by far is literally just getting the adhesive stuff off for the 3M. I guess it's saying a lot because this is probably one of the easier installs and one of the most like aesthetically pleasing in my opinion, just because I love the way the paddle shifters look. Another key cool feature is you got the plus and minus for upshift and downshift on the paddles. So man, it looks awesome. Super easy install. This took like 5 minutes. Again, thank you, Jeremy, so much for sending me these. Like, I don't know, I just appreciate so much in the car community. You guys are always so supportive and like willing to help out. So got some cool content out of this, a cool little upgrade install. And yeah, before and after, looking pretty sweet. Now let's kind of see these in action. I want to use them now that I have them, not gonna lie. Like, I really don't use my paddle shifters a lot, but now I feel like I have a reason to. So let's go out, let's get a little real world action going. They look cool from the sides too, man. That's nice. That's real nice. Do your research, know the exact fit you need, but link will be in the description to a couple different options. So see what fits you guys. If you guys like the idea, the style, let me know in the comments. But yeah, like I keep mentioning, we're gonna go out and drive because I wanna get some use out of these. So one thing about Audi steering wheels is the paddle shifters are connected to the wheel itself. So when you turn, they go along with it. And I love the way that looks. Honestly, like the carbon fiber reflecting the sun. It just looks so cool to me. I don't know why I like that so much, but that's super nice. Let's get a little real world testing, shall we? Let's go into manual mode. You can go into manual mode just by clicking one of the paddle shifters. Now we're in M2. They feel nice. I like these. I like the feel. You know, it literally feels just like the stock. On the stock paddles, there are these little engravings, kind of like little notches just as a texture. I don't mind the carbon fiber though. It's honestly a nice feel. Cool feeling with the paddles. I'm not gonna lie, like you can hit them down here. And if you're actually using your car to drive, you're doing a lot of corners, all that sort of stuff, it gives you a little more range. So if I'm on a hard turn, I can, you know, hit up here without being uncomfortable and having to reach and find the paddles. So it does give them that big extension, makes them a little more practical, I guess, but also, you know, a little more flashy, a little more fun to look at. We're gonna turn. So overall, love the feeling, love the look. These are super cool. affordable, kind of. I think these are like $140 retail. Again, thank you so much for sending these to me, Jeremy. Super generous gift, and glad we got some good content out of these. If you guys want these, like I said, link is in the description to a few different types. I love modifying this car, you guys know that, so every opportunity I get, I'm gonna show you guys exactly what we do, following the build, following the progression. And this is actually the first interior modification I've done on this car, which is surprising considering how much I love the interior on this car. Now, the one thing I can mention right now that is a negative of these is I cannot see my fuel gauge. Like, what I'm seeing right now is what you guys are seeing. I can't see my fuel gauge or my temp. But that's it. I gotta move my head the slightest bit to the side. If that's the only bad thing I can say about this product, then hey, it's not too bad, right? But guys, that's gonna wrap up the video. So if you want to see some more modifications on this car, click the subscribe button if you're new, don't wanna miss out on future content. Also leave a like for the algorithm. Guys, until next time, keep drinking water, have fun, adios.